This video is about set.seed function in RStudio that is most probably used prior to perform simulation, generating random data from any specific distribution or to draw a sample of any specific size from sampling with replacement or without replacement from a dataset. Here I want to show you what are its results if we do not use set.seed function in R. Here I am generating a random sample of 5 observations from a normal distribution. N is equals to 5 means 5 data points. Mean and standard deviation are the parameters of the normal distribution. I am choosing mean 100 and standard deviation 1. I am selecting and running this command, and in console you can see the 5 data points randomly generated from this distribution. I am again selecting and running this command, and this time I have new data points that are completely different from the previous ones. Again I am selecting and running this command, and this time I have again the new data sets. Now I am using set.seed function and with the seed of 500. This seed is completely up to you. You can choose any number in this function, but it is basically an ID for RStudio that will fix our previous problem of generating new observations or getting new data all the time we run these commands, because this will fix our data points for future use. I am using set.seed function with 1000, and running this command will give me a data point of 99 points, so on. Again if I select and run this command, this time I have the same data points which I previously drawn. Now I am using this command to show you what are its impact if we have to draw a sample of a specific size from a data set. Here my data set is X. I want to show you what is X here, 1 to 20 values. I want to draw a sample of size 6 from the sampling with replacement. Again I am selecting this command and show you what are its results this time. Now I have 6 data samples that are different from the previous ones. This will create problem for me, and again I am performing this analysis by using set.seed function with the seed of 50. Sample, this time my sample values are 15, 19, 14 and so on. If I use the set.seed function with again and again, my sample values are fixed. You can give this name, any name to this command, and this will save your results, and you can perform any type of descriptive or further analysis in R. Every time you will perform this function you will get the same values, and if you use set.seed function again and again. Thank you.